Remember.
Yes. I'm the ambassador of Sierra Leone. No, you are working for.
I'm here working for Liberia.
No,
not really. Just providing support.
In the reception. And okay.
Just now.
It's okay. That's okay.
Okay. All right. Okay.
No, but I think it was up to 2 o'clock.
Mayanok.
We good. I think it is the room
I was very flabbergasted when I saw that process, which describes itself as a motion on notified injunction. What I find very anomalous about it is that the persons who are to be restrained by the various injunctions they seek is the Chief Justice himself, judicial officers, international organizations, and so forth. I mean, it baffles me how a judge of any court can issue an order restraining himself from attending any function or from doing anything. It really baffles me.
Let's be clear. Is it an injunction for the Chief Justice to restrain himself
No.
or to order that the inauguration be put off?
The Chief Justice among the persons to be restrained from attending, swearing in, partaking, and so forth in the inauguration or in the swearing of President Adama Barrow. It is quite an anomalous situation, and what is even more anomalous is that Adama Barrow is not a party. In fact, people who are sought to be restrained, the Speaker of the National Assembly, and then the Clerk of the National Assembly, a whole host of people who are not parties to this case, an order is being sought against the restraint. Even international organizations, which by nature, of course, their representatives have diplomatic immunity, so they cannot be amenable to the process of and look at the law properly and advise himself and advise his clients that
Let's get this point very, very clear. The injunction, from our understanding, is that the APRC wants the Chief Justice to order that President-elect not be sworn in. But you are now telling us that it's bigger than that.
And among the people, it's not only that the President-elect not to be sworn in, but even to restrain the Chief Justice from attending and from partaking. His Speaker of the National Assembly from attending, restraining from attending. These are not parties. Adama Barrow is not a party to these proceedings. So I cannot imagine how a lawyer can really seek a restraining order against a person who is not a party to the proceedings.
So what is the stand of your party right now? What is your stand?
We are not parties to
the coalition.
We are not Adama Barrow, the President-elect, is not a party to the proceedings. So I'm not speaking on behalf. I'm not speaking on behalf of the coalition. He's asking me in my capacity as a lawyer. So I'm giving the opinion that obviously this process that has been filed, is. I don't want to use any language that is indecorous, but I have never seen it in my life. And I want to advise the lawyer to go back, look at this process, and probably also seek opinions of other lawyers who are very conversant with applications of this nature, lawyers who are very conversant with issues involving constitutional law. This is what involving constitutional law. In the first place, you cannot ask for an injunction, a relief, for an injunction when there is no substantive claim for the injunction. I think his lawyer ought to know that. That is, I think they are really fooling Gambia, or at least APRC is trying to fool its supporters that, oh, we are doing something. But I mean, those processes, they cannot stand. I can tell you that they cannot stand.
In the first application that has been filed, Barrow has been made a party.
Barrow has not been made a party.
In the petition, the Barrow and the IC, Barrow is the third respondent.
Well, but this application was not filed under that petition. It was filed under the first petition to which Barrow is not a party.
Is there any basis in the constitution of the Gambia to file an injunction to stop the inauguration of a president?
What is the...
Put it to your court.
I put it to those people who apply for the injunction. What constitutional provisions have Barrow infringed for which they are asking for an injunction? Ask them. I ask them to clarify that.
But
Is there a legal basis?
I'm saying those who have filed it, let them tell us the legal basis.
But is there one? Is there any legal
to your
basis for
knowledge,
which
there
you
are.
would be stopped?
I want to be educated by them. Because if I know, I would tell you so. I want to be educated by them that there is certainly a constitutional basis for doing so. I want them to educate me on that.
In essence, what you are saying, there is no legal basis.
As far as I know, and I want to be educated by them, by all their lawyers, including the Attorney General, who, as it appears, is really siding the petition.
Okay, how do you feel